All right, today at home you're going to practice some more rotating. So you're going to hopefully watch this and read the directions that you're watching this video, so you can get 2 free answers. And then you're going to upload some pictures of pages 25 and upload a picture of page 35. So let's do one on each page here to get you started with this. So let's start on page 25 with the example at the bottom. It looks like I labeled it B. So a rotation of a 180. So the 180 rotation is definitely the easiest. The rule, if you remember, is make X and Y opposite, but keep the positioning of it so you don't switch anything. So very simply, I'll do this in green. I'll make this, instead of -5, 5, 5. Opposite of -4, 0 is 4, 0. That's actually a -1. Opposite of -1, -3 is 1, 3. That was too easy. So now I'm going to go over here, 5, 5, W prime. I'm going to go over here, 4, 0, X prime. And then here, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. Call that Y prime here. So the first one answer done for you. That looks like a rotation of 180 degrees, clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on how you look at it. Now I'm going to turn over to page 35. Let's take a look at that. On page 35, let's definitely do one of the 90s. I feel like somewhere in this assignment there might be a coordinate off, so if you see that, definitely keep that in mind. I might have made a mistake somewhere when I wrote these coordinates out. So at the top, though, I'm definitely going to put here for you guys the rules, so you have them. They're also, geez, they're right there, and they're actually on the next page. All the rules here after page 36, which should be 37. But I'll write them here just because they're right here. It's easy to refer to. So opposite X, opposite Y for the 180. For counterclockwise, think of Bella there. So it taught me this rule where you switch them. But the counterclockwise, you make the Y opposite. C, CW, C, C makes a Y. So make the Y opposite. And this one, clockwise, switch them. Make that X opposite for that. So why don't we do a clockwise? I'm going to look on this page and see. Aha, number 1 is clockwise. I'm going to try this clockwise one, 90 degrees. So I have to take these coordinates and I have to switch the positions. And again, like I mentioned in class, it's really important, I think really helpful if you put the rule at the top, Y opposite X. So now you just go ahead and switch and put these are going to be opposite. So I'm going to switch them first. So -2, 1, it's going to be 1, -2. Switch that one, it's going to be -2, -3. -4, -2. -1. Just making sure that's right. Yeah, that looked weird with the typing, with the copy. All right, so now I'm going to switch these all. So not switch, I'm going to make these all opposite, all my x's. So this will be +2, +3, +2, and now make this a -2. And so again, another thing I like to do with these is clockwise, I'm going to end up somewhere in this area. So I want to kind of know that's where it's going to be. And it should look the same. So if they don't look the same, I'm doing something wrong. So here goes. I'm going to go 1, 2. H prime, -2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Call that I prime. -4, 2. Yeah, that looks right. Because I and F are like that. F prime. And the last one, -1, -2, is G prime. Connect the dots. I don't have any patty paper next to me, but if I did, these do look congruent, and this does look like a rotation 90 degrees clockwise. So that leaves 3 for you on page 25 and 5 for you here, so that's 8 altogether. I want you to make sure you take the pictures of these 2 pages and upload them for me. I'm not going to count this as a homework, but you should be practicing this at home this week. Have a good day.